right, today we're going to find the angle measures using when we're given the x. You're going to use the skills that you use for two-step equations. So the first thing we're going to do is that we know that the triangle equals 180 degrees. Okay? And since they all equal up together, we're going to add those up. So 45 plus 60 plus 5x equals 180. 45 plus 60 equals 105. And then I'm going to bring down the 5x equals 180. Okay, and then just like we're solving equations, I'm going to do a minus 105 and take it to the other side. So 180 minus 105 equals 75. Bring that 5x down. So 5x equals 75. Remember, we're going to do the opposite, which is divide. 75 divided by 5 is 15, so x equals 15. And if I want to know how much this angle measure is, I would go 5 times 15. And so 5 times 15 would be 75. All right, so x is 15, and then I go 15 times 5, and I would get 75 to find that angle measure, if it asks for it. All right, the next one. This is a right triangle. We know it's a right triangle because of this box. This says that it is 90 degrees. The whole triangle is 180. So 90 plus 32 plus 2x equals 180. So I'm going to add those two. 90 plus 32 equals 122. Bring the 2x down equals 180. All right, just like solving equations, I'm going to do the opposite and take it to the other side. So 180 minus 122. 180 minus 122 is 58. And I'm going to bring that 2x down. Okay, remember, this is saying 2 times something equals 58. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to divide. 58 divided by 2. And that is 29. So x equals 29. And then how much is this angle? 29 times 2 is 58. So 58 would be that angle measure. Okay, now you're going to try some problems on your own.